Before we start this unit, we actually have to remove this glue from the old labels, from all the pieces that they had on here from the city. I think this was a city tractor before. So I'm going to show you how to use the flash on here. You basically just take the flash and apply it to the machine to remove that glue, get it loosened up, because obviously this stuff isn't going to move. We got to give it a little time now. But you can see in just a few seconds you can actually get a lot of this stuff right off. But you basically just got to keep it on there, let it soak for about 30 seconds. And then once that's basically loosened up, you can pretty much remove all that glue that's stuck on there. Here we go. And of course, I'm using a plastic razor blade, not a metal one. A little bit more, just to get that stuff nice and loosened up. Because this is still, I'm pretty sure that's still. They might have gotten that with the razor. I'm pretty sure that's still on there. Sort of walk it back and forth just to get that leftover vinyl off of there. I've got it on here pretty good. Nice part with the plastic razor blades is you don't have to worry too much. You're not going to scratch